Y'all already know what it is. It's Reliable Cars. We back at it again. About to get y'all this review on this 2019 Mustang Performance Package GT. You know what I'm saying? Got it out of Battlefield Ford at Manassas, right here in the DMV, which is in Virginia, to remind you. We just gonna talk about this car, man. You know, I'm gonna show y'all what this GT really about, man. How this, I know y'all getting thousands of different reviews out here on this car, and you got different people showing you from their perspective. To tell you what, I'm gonna show you from my perspective. I'm gonna show y'all what this car about, how I feel about it. You know what I'm saying, and what we gonna do in it. Like I said, 2019. You hear me? We back at it. Yeah, that. Good people. Let's talk about this 5.0 GT 2019 Mustang, you know what I'm saying? V8, big ass V8 engine, you know what I'm saying? You can't beat it, 8 cylinders. Let's talk about the rims a little bit, man. I like these gloss black 19-inch rims, you know what I'm saying? Michelin sport tires, total performance. You know what I'm saying? These joints stick too, by the way. Like, they real sticky. You can get. I like that. Shout out to Michelin. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to Michelin. I really like this Varsity Blue. When I got it, I really like this color. He asked me, my sales rep. He asked me, what color did I like? And I said I like blue. I definitely like blue, because he asked me did I like blue. I was like, yeah, I like blue. So he showed me this blue giant. I said, yeah, let me get it. I want it. You know what I'm saying? I added this tint. I just got the tint on it. On my Instagram, I got the picture with just it with no tint. It looked pretty plain. This 5% tint all the way around except for the windshield. I got a windshield mod coming with that soon. I'll probably get that tinted too. I got a few mods coming on it. Stay tuned for more videos on that. I'm trying to get some sponsors, man. Reaching out, I'm shouting out all the sponsors right now. Y'all gotta rock with me. I'm all the way dedicated. Let me know what's up. You know, if it's from detailing to stickers to engine performance parts, let me know. Like I said, it's a performance package 2019 GT Mustang. I'm all the way with it. Let's take it to the lights. I like the contrast on the lights, how they made them so, it got a mean look to it, and the fog lights. The car is it's pretty clean. I feel like it could be cleaner than that. I cleaned it yesterday, actually. Like I said, I like the contrast on how they did with the lights. It gave the Mustang a pretty in-depth look. It looked real muscular. It's definitely fast. Y'all gonna see that. Not gonna show too much, but y'all gonna see that too. The car's pretty much still stock. I only had it for like 3 weeks now. Like I said, I like what they did with it. The regular GTs and the EcoBoost, the lip is not as wide. They made it a little bit more smaller, so you can tell. You can definitely tell the difference from a performance package and an EcoBoost or just a normal GT. I like the little scoops they put on it. Get an engine some air to breathe from. I still got the cover on it. I'm gonna lift up this real soon. I still got the cover on it, which I'll probably take off eventually. Like I said, man, overall, this is a hell of a reliable sports car. If you want a daily driver, this is awesome. Make sure your money right. Make sure everything right, your finances and all that good stuff. Don't jump into something you can't handle. Like I said, I like the 5.0 badge they put on it. I would prefer it to be black because it got black rims, so that's probably a mod I could possibly do. Like I said, stay tuned. I got more mods coming. With the doors, you got the lock. If you touch it, I just locked it. You unlock it, you hold it. I like the new features they put on the newer cars with that. Like I said, man, it's a coupe. I'm 6'3", 290, you feel me? I might have lost 10 pounds since my last video, I hope. But look, yeah, like I said, it got hella safety features on it for a coupe. You'll think it's a small car. Like I said, I'm 290, 6'3". I'm a big guy if you see me in person, you know what I'm saying? I ain't bragging or nothing, that's just what it is, you feel me? So I'm fitting in it comfortably, like I really got space. I got men that'll tell you I got space too, the ones that seen it. But yeah, you got the Brimbos, you know what I'm saying? 6-piston Brimbos on the front. I don't know why they didn't put it on the back. That's pretty awkward. But they did put the 275s, the 275 40Z R19 tire size on it with the 19-inch rims, obviously. Man, I just like how this car looks overall, man. You got the quad exhaust tips, which I absolutely love. You know, when it just makes the sound, even though it doesn't really, you know, have an effect on the sound, but it makes when you press on the gas, it makes it like real in depth. You be like, man, like that's nice, that's mean. You know what I'm saying? You look at it. I like the spoiler they gave it. All the GTs, the 2018s, I know it didn't come with it. My boy got one. Shout out to him. He got a black one, GT 2018. He just got a little. He got the I forgot what it's called, but the piece you put on the back. You know what I'm saying? I ain't with all these names and different shit on these cars, but he put the it's a feature that most people put on their Mustangs. It's like a little. It looked like it's like a window scoop thing. Not sure what it's called, but if you do, look, comment and let me know what it's called. Call me out on it. I like that. Look, you got the GT badge. You got the backup camera. This kind of swagged out if they made it black, which I probably do, which is cool. You know, that's the whole point, is stock. You know what I'm saying? You got the backup sensors on it all around the bumpers. They did give it this right here. This gas joint, you know, it's easy, accessible. You just click it to lock it, unclick it, you know, boom. The easy fuel cap. Basically no cap, but you can't really put anything in there. Yeah, man, I love it. Absolutely love it. Even with the windows, you know, you got the lights when you turn on the turning signals. This comes on. They gave you the blind spot mirror. That's like it's factory. I did not add that. It's factory. I did like how they did this. I wish they made it a little wider. It gave it a little bit more meaner look if they made it wider, but this is absolutely perfect. I see why they did it, man. Shout out to Ford. Here it is, good people. We got the trunk on this big old 5.0 Ford GT Mustang. You can see you get that emblem right up there. Real sturdy. Powered by 4 right there. Real sturdy. Like I said, I'm probably take this cover off though. I ain't a big fan of it. Brand new engine, as you can see, man. Look at them. Just look at this. Hit me. Got a few miles coming to it. Not too many, but just a few. Just a few updates. About to take y'all to this trunk all crazy. Alright, we got the trunk going. You know what I'm saying? The space is like perfect for, I'm not gonna just say a single person, but if you neat, like you see, I got everything right here. A lot of people put like a lot of product, you know, all over the place, and the trunk be dirty. And why do that? That's what you got a closet at home for, and, you know, just a nice little trunk space. It's not the biggest, but it's pretty big for a coupe. A sports coupe at that, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing wrong with that. Just like that, you know what I'm saying? Nice and proper. You feel me? Alright, man, like I said, the gears, you know, it shifts pretty good. You got the backup camera right there. All that good stuff. I got the AC going right now. You got like traction controls and all that good stuff. I like the look that they gave this console right here. You know, you get to look at all the different modes and stuff like that. Close the door. And let me see. Let's see what kind of modes we got here. We got different modes: sport, normal, track. What else we got? We got that snow, wet, all that good stuff. When I start up the car, I always put it in sport. When you automatically put it in sport, you don't have to worry about the steering wheel feature. It automatically go to sport steering wheel for you, but you got like comfort and all that good stuff like that. Right now, as you can see, I got 648 miles on this joint, brand new. I bought it at like 6 miles, as I remember. You know what I'm saying? I like what they did with the center. They put that oil pressure PSI, even though it's on the dash, they put it in here. They put the vac meter in there too. That's pretty cool. Like I said, I do like that. On the Mustang GT350R, you know, they got the signature one, I think, on there. Or that's the only place you can see the Mustang GT. They got the R on it. The Mustang G50. The Mustang GT350R, my bad, that's what it is. They got that on there, and cause that's the only way you really can like assemble it. 160 on the dash. This motherfucker feel like it go 180. You already know I got the full tank of gas. Gotta stay with that. I do like how they put the Mustang pony, the Mustang emblem right there. That's that pony. You know what I'm saying? Only pony owners can relate. Y'all already know what it is. That AC pump crazy. Like I said, I do like this. They got like a little it's like a little door out. It's like a little cap. You can flip it. I'm thinking about doing that. It just looks sweet to me. You know what I'm saying? I like that little feature they add to this. I do like the push to start though. Then you got traction control, all that good stuff. Traction control on, traction control off. Gotta have my water. Bloopers. Yeah, man, you got the auto lock and all that good stuff. That button right there is like lock, unlock. You know, so like I said, they got nice safety features. It's locked now. It's unlocked. Hey man, this is a hell of a daily driver. I really like it. I forgot to tell y'all, man, this junk do got the active exhaust on it, bruh. Go down to settings. You can go to exhaust mode. You got normal, track, quiet. Even though quiet, that would be a feature I probably never use unless I'm, you know what I'm saying, big sneaking around like shit. That's pretty much it. You can look at the color. You can change the color. Your vehicle, the wipers, all that good stuff. All that kind of fun / boring stuff. You got the track apps. They got the line lock. Show you all that different stuff. That's pretty much it, man. How many miles you get per gallon right now? On that, I got 14, but that's trip A. Trip B, trip 2B, whatever you want to call it. 14.7, pretty much the same thing. There's just some of you different ones. Yep. Hey, I'm gonna give y'all some sound effect, man. How this joint sound on the inside compared to the outside when I'm doing exhaust modes. Y'all can see what this joint sound like. Alright, normal. You got this right here. That's normal. Sport. Track. Motherfucking track is a badass, boy. Then we got sport. Got track. Here it is. You got the 2019 Mustang GT Premium Performance Package 1, 2. It's all the same. Y'all know what the fuck it is. Make sure y'all go like, comment, subscribe to my channel. All my social media platforms, which will be in the link below. Let me know what y'all think, man. Like I said, hit me up, DM me. My email will be on there too. All that good stuff. Let me know what's up. Just like that. We gone.